Hello guys, welcome back again to Black Mamba. This video is capturing live from Nyabohanse at the junior construction site. So as you can see, this video is gonna give an explanation of what the work we have been doing in the last few days. As you can see, we have already arranged the frames, joist frame. So next step, we are going to put the trappers, and later on we are going to arrange the reinforcement steel bars. So guys, right now you are watching from Nyabohanse at the junior construction site, so you can have a look at the work we have been doing here. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Black Mamba. Right there, you can see this is a very chill morning and the sunrise from that far end. Okay guys, as you can see, this staircases is what we did yesterday. We casted, and today's work I'm going to set these columns, as you can see where the red strings are being tied, and you can see my fellow engineer there. You can say hi to the guys.
Hi, I'm King Charles, 254.
Yes.
We just working here. Today we're gonna show you on how these columns are just arranged up.
Yes.
So we finish the column. This is there are only 4 many here.
So,
Thank you.
so guys, today we are going to prepare these 4 columns, ready to carry these loadings. As you can see, the rest of the work we have been doing here. So enjoy watching this video until the end. Continue, and remember to subscribe to my friend King Charles 254, and also never forget my channel, guys, Black Mamba. So guys, enjoy watching this video. I really appreciate when you visit my YouTube account, and I really appreciate when you comment. When you comment to my account is when I know what to do. So guys, continue subscribing at my YouTube channel, Black Mamba. Working at the junior construction site. Welcome back again.